Hello students, good morning. My name is Grupi Singh and welcome back to English online classes. Today we will learn about interrogative sentences in narration. So in this video, I'll tell you about interrogative sentences and as well as I'll tell you the difference between yes no interrogative sentences and WH family interrogative sentences. Understand? So also in this video I'll share with you some examples to learn more about interrogative sentences. So firstly, what is narration? So narration is the art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. So here we have two main ways of reporting the words of a speaker. The first one is direct speech and the second one is indirect speech. So now I discuss about interrogative sentences. So here we have two types of interrogative sentence. The first one is related to yes no. Yes no mean related to helping verbs. And helping verbs are was were, is am are, has have had, will, shall. And the second type is related to WH family words. So in WH family words we have what, why, where, when, how, etc. So in this there is little bit difference between yes no interrogative sentences and WH family interrogative sentences. The main difference is regarding conjunction. कंजक्शन के रिगार्डिंग कैसे है? जब हम yes no मीन yes no से रिलेटेड इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस को चेंज कर रहे हैं डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में, ऑन दैट टाइम we will remove inverted comma or we will change inverted comma into if or whether. But in WH family interrogative sentences we use as it is WH family word in indirect speech. हमने क्या सीखा कि जब हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब से रिलेटेड कोई भी इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है उस टाइम पर हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में इफ और वेदर का यूज करेंगे जब हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को रिमूव कर रहे हैं. बट इन WH फैमिली इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम एज इट इज WH फैमिली वर्ड का यूज करेंगे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, तो इसमें हमारी कंजक्शन क्या रहेगी? सेम रहेगी. अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, so here I have some basic rules regarding yes no interrogative sentences. So the number one rule is related to reporting verb. Reporting verb in all interrogative sentences we change our reporting verb like say to or say into ask, says to says into asks, said to said into asked, will say to will say into will ask. So now the question is कि जब मैं लास्ट टाइम said को किस में चेंज कर रहा था कि said को said में ही चेंज कर रहा था इनडायरेक्ट में, बट हियर आई चेंज said into asked. Why? सो मेन डिफरेंस ये है ना कि जब हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में डायरेक्ट स्पीच से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बना रहे हैं उस टाइम हम सेड को सेड ही रखेंगे, बट इन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वी चेंज सेड इनटू आस्क्ड. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. द सेकंड वन रूल इज इन ऑल सिंपल इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. So here I talk about related to yes no interrogative sentences. Yes no mean, if I say, do you read English, so I think your answer will be in yes or no. Understand? So that's why I tell this is related to yes no interrogative sentences. In all simple interrogative sentences, comma and inverted commas are removed. I already told you we change inverted commas into if or whether in indirect speech. In indirect speech, जब हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब से रिलेटेड कोई भी सेंटेंस डायरेक्ट स्पीच से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज कर रहे हैं, उस टाइम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को हटाकर इफ और वेदर का यूज करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. सो हियर थर्ड रूल इज फॉर कन्वर्टिंग डायरेक्ट स्पीच टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच फॉर of all interrogative sentences. So here I talk about yes no interrogative sentences as well as WH family interrogative sentences. For converting direct speech to indirect speech of all interrogative sentences, the interrogative form of sentence is changed to assertive form. Assertive mean in positive form. And the fourth one is rule is question mark is replaced with the full stop. Question mark replaced with the full stop. Understand? So here in direct speech, in interrogative sentence, we use helping verb before the subject, but in indirect speech we use subject and after that helping verb. Understand? So here I wrote two examples related to yes no interrogative sentences. The first one is, she said to me, are you going there today? She said to me, are you going there today? Are you going there today? So here I use you. So you is a second person. I already shared with you one trick. The trick is SON. So first person change according to subject, second person change according to subject, third person like will be no change. So here you is a second person. So you is change according to object and the object is me. Understand? So in indirect speech, I change said to into asked, and after that she asked me. So here this sentence is related to yes no interrogative sentence. So that's why here I remove inverted commas and add if in indirect speech. If I, so why I use I already told you, you is changed according to object, and object is in the sentence, our object is me. So that's why here I wrote I was going there that day. So are going is related to present continuous, and we change present continuous into past continuous. In past continuous, our rule is was were plus first form plus ing. So after I we always use was. So that's why here I wrote was. I was going there that day. So today change into that day, and after that full stop. So here question mark is replaced with the full stop. Understand? And the second is in indirect speech, he said to his mother, will you go to Delhi? So will is also related to helping verb. So here we use if to join two parts. Understand? So in indirect, he said to change into asked. He asked his mother if. So here I use she. Why? Because you is related to second person, and second person change according to object. So our object is his mother. So mother is related to she. So if she would, so will change into would. I already told you in indirect we always use subject and after that helping verb. So here I use subject, subject is she, and helping verb is would go to Delhi. Understand? And the and the second is WH family words interrogative sentences. I already told you the difference. The difference is in yes no interrogative sentences we use if or whether, but in WH family word we always use same WH family word to remove inverted commas in indirect speech. एंड बाकी के जो रेस्ट ऑफ द रूल्स हैं वो दोनों में ही सेम लगेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? सो हियर I wrote some example related to WH family words in WH family interrogative sentences. The examples are: he said to me, "What are you doing?" He said to me, "What are you doing?" So he said to change into asked. He asked me. He asked me what. So here I do not use if or whether because this sentence is related to WH family word and the word is what. So what is related to WH family word? So here in indirect we as it is use what. So what? So you is a second person and second person change according to object and the object is me. So that's why here I use I. What I was doing. So are doing related to present continuous. So present continuous change into past continuous. In past continuous our rule is was were first form plus ing. So that's why here I use was doing because we always use was after I. Understand? And the second example is the student said, "How can I buy this book?" So the student asked. So here said. So I already told you said to and said change into asked. So the student asked how. So I is a first person. First person always change according to subject and the subject is student. So students like he, how he could buy this book. So here I change can into could buy that book. So this is change into that. And the third sentence is I said to her, "What were you eating?" So here I asked her what. Here we use like what as it is because what is related to WH family word. I already told you in WH family interrogative sentences we always use as it is WH family word in indirect speech. So that's why here I use what. So I asked her, "What were you eating?" So were eating is related to past continuous. So we change past continuous into past perfect continuous. In past perfect continuous our rule is had been plus verb first form plus ing. So here what were you eating? So you is related to second person. So second person always change according to object and the object is her. So that's why here I use she. So what she had been eating. Understand? If you have any doubts regarding that you can concern with me. Thank you so much.